Now we're going to take a look at how we can fill our canvas with the gradient. To fill our canvas with the gradient, we need to first have the library .ui, and we are going to use this library to get the gradient shaders. So to use shaders, we are going to use the property shader from the paint class, and we are going to use linear gradient. And to this constructor, we are going to pass the starting location, ending location, and the colors of this gradient. So here I'm going to pass the starting location offset dot 0 and the ending location, which is going to be size dot width and comma size dot height. You can play with these values, and here I'm going to pass color green and the color red. Also, to paint this shader, we are going to use drawPaint method, and here we only need to pass the paint class. As you can see, we have successfully filled our canvas with the gradient. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.